let me show you the popular trait of mattress topper. The cheapest mattress topper in 2021. We put up this big guys. Okay, let me show this big one here. And now we can see the whole product in here. You can see this. They have a 10 centimeters high and 200 centimeters long. This is a double size. And you can see this is very soft. And you see this, the fabric, we use the skin-friendly fabric. It's very strong, not easy to break. Also, it's breathable and washable. Okay, let me show you the fillings to yours. Now I find the zipper. So let me show the fillings to yours. Can you see this? This mattress we decide for the air foam is very soft, like a cloud. And we put more hole to support main point, to support your body. And this is mattress topper you can use in the bed or you can just use in the floor. And it's foldable. And easy to take. And if you have some friends come to your homes, you can just put it in here and they'll get to the bed. We are a Uniwing company. I'm here to waiting for you. Hope we help you. I'm Benny. See you next time.